How to clear cache on Android. This tutorial shows you two different ways to clear cache and free up space on your Android device. First, open your Android settings. After that, scroll down and tap on Apps. From there, find and tap on the app you want to clear the cache for. At this point, tap on Storage. In the next step, tap on Clear Cache to remove the temporary files stored by that app. Following this, go back to the apps list and repeat the same steps for any other app you want to clear the cache for. Once done, if you want a quicker way, go back to your Android settings and scroll down to tap on Device Care or Battery and Device Care. From here, tap on Storage. At this stage, tap on Clean Now to clear cache data from multiple apps all at once. Finally, once the process is complete, you'll have more free storage available and your device should run a little smoother. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you clear your cache, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.